Hello kids, good morning. I am from Aryam school. Today we take a GK class, and in GK the chapter number is 6, animals and their babies. Okay, so what is the date today? 4/8/20. Standard is 2nd standard English medium. Subject is GK and page number is 10. Open your page number 10. Okay, so in page number 10, what is the chapter? Animals and their babies. Do you know the animals? Yes, we have seen the different animals and their small babies also. Okay, you see that in your home and around your home you can see the dog and small puppies. Okay, so we write today the animals and their babies name. Do you know the baby's name? Okay, so we start a new chapter. Babies are cute and lovable. Aren't they animals to have their own young ones? Babies are so cute and lovable. You like puppies, kittens, है ना? Kids like to play with puppies, kittens, and the rabbit. Babies is bunny, small, है ना? Chickens. Yeah, so the babies are very क्यूट. वी लाइक टू प्ले विद दैम, है ना? हमें अच्छा लगता है उनके साथ प्ले करना. स्मॉल पपीज कितने क्यूट होते हैं, राइट? सो हियर यू हैव टू राइट द बेबीज नेम. सी इन योर बुक किड्स, द पेज नंबर इज 10 एंड सी इन योर बुक दैट इज अ पिक्चर ऑफ अ mommy and their young ones. The lion babies is cub, puppy dog babies is puppy, and the sheep baby is lamb. Cow के बेबू को क्या बोलेंगे हम? Calf. Then hens babies is chickens and goats baby is kid. Okay, we said this is the young one. क्या बोलेंगे उनको? Young one of the babies. You say lions baby. What we say? Lions baby? Cub. Write the cub. You have to write the name of their babies under the picture. जो आपको बुक में पिक्चर्स दिए हुए उसके नीचे आपको बेबीज के नेम राइट करने हैं. लायंस बेबी को क्या बोलेंगे हम? कब. टाइगर बेबी ऑल्सो वी कॉल्ड कब. डॉग्स बेबी, डॉग के यंग वंस को क्या बोलेंगे? उसके यंग वन भी बोल सकते हैं. ओके, हियर वी हैव टू राइट यंग वंस. क्या बोलेंगे? यंग वंस. छोटे स्मॉल बेबी को यंग वन भी बोलेंगे. डॉग्स बेबी पपी. वी से पपी. व्हाट इज द यंग वन ऑफ द डॉग? पपी. देन व्हाट इज द यंग वन ऑफ द शीप? शीप के बेबू को क्या बोलेंगे हम? व्हाट इज द यंग वन ऑफ द शीप? लैम्ब. LAMB, लैम्ब. देन व्हाट इज द यंग वन ऑफ द काउस बेबी? काउस के बेबी को क्या बोलेंगे हम? छोटा या स्मॉल द काव. काव, काफ. हैन के बेबी को क्या बोलेंगे? व्हाट वी से? हैंड्स यंग वन? चिकन, चिक. व्हाट वी से? चिक. यस. देन गोट्स बेबी किड. गोट के बेबी को किड. ओके. Then dog. This is not in your book, but for your information and knowledge I write here the animals and their young ones. Okay, so you have to just prepare this 6 only. Okay, this is for your knowledge and information. I write here duck के young one को what we say? duck के बेबी को क्या बोलेंगे? duckling. Duck, duckling. Pig, piglet. What we say? The babies of the pig? Piglet. What we say? Piglet. Horse, foal. Okay. Deer के young one को क्या बोलेंगे? Fawn. Yes. Cat, kittens. Cat, kittens. Rabbit, rabbit की young one को what we say the young one of the rabbit? It's a small bunny. What we say? Bunny. You like bunny? Yes. Camel के young one को what we say? Calf. Young one of the camel is calf. Elephant, we say elephant baby is also calf. It's called a calf. So here we read the young one of and babies of the animals again. First we read start lion's baby cub. Lion's baby cub. Dog's baby puppy. Dog's baby puppy. Sheep's baby lamb. Sheep young ones is lamb. Cow's baby calf. Cow's baby calf. Hen's baby chick. It's called a chick. Goat's baby kid. Goat's baby kid. The young one of the goat is kid. Duck. What is the young one of the duck? It's called a small cute ducklings. What we say? It's a very cute. Duckling is cute. So duck young one is duckling. Pig young one is piglet. What we say? Pig young one? Piglet. Horse fawn. Deer fawn. Deer fawn. Cat kittens. Rabbit young one is rabbit's baby bunny. Camel's baby calf. And elephant baby is calf. Okay kids. So this is the young one of the animals. So we start a exercise of a true or false. Okay kids. We start a exercise true or false. Okay kids, now we do the exercise. Write true or false. This true or false write in your GK notebook also. Okay kids. So first is lion's baby is called a puppy. Is it we call lion baby is a puppy? The young one of the lion is puppy. True or false? It's a false. What we say? Lion's baby is puppy? No. Whose baby is puppy? Dog. And what is the lion's baby? The young one of the lion is cub. Okay. So this sentence is false. This sentence is false. Okay. Now second. Sheep's baby is called a lamb. Sheep के बेबी को क्या कहेंगे हम? What we say the young one of the sheep? Kid or lamb? Is it right? Lamb is right, kids? Yes, the lamb is right. Sheep's young one is called a lamb. See right here, true. Okay, this sentence is right. So write true. The third is cow's baby is called a chick. We say cow's baby chick. Cow की baby को what we say? Chick बोलेंगे yes or no? This is right. We say chick. No. The which young one is chick? किसके baby को हम chick बोलेंगे? Hen's young one is chick. And what is the we say cow's young one? Cow के young one को calf बोलेंगे. So this sentence is wrong. It's a false. So write here false. Okay. Now fourth. Hen's baby is called a chick. Hen's baby. What is the young one of the hen? Hen's के baby को क्या बोलेंगे हम? Chickens. Small chickens. So this sentence is right. True. Hen's baby is called a chick. So this sentence is true. Okay. Now fifth is read with me kids. Dog's baby is called a puppy. Yes, dog baby is called a puppy. Dog की baby के small puppies बोलेंगे. तो this sentence is true. What we say? True means right. ये sentence right है. And last is goat's baby is called a cub. What is the young one of the goat? गोट के बेबी को क्या बोलेंगे? किड या लैम्ब या कब? ओके, तो दिस सेंटेंस इज राइट और रॉन्ग? दिस सेंटेंस इज रॉन्ग बिकॉज कब नहीं बोलेंगे. व्हाट वी से? गोट्स बेबी इज किड. क्या आएगा? किड. ओके, so this sentence is wrong. The goat's baby is called a cub. False. Okay, I read again. Lion's baby is called a puppy. True or false? False. Okay. Second, sheep's baby is called a lamb. True or false? Sheep baby is called a lamb. True. sheep के बेबी को क्या बोलेंगे? lamb. So this sentence is true. Third is cow's baby is called a chick. This is right? No, cow's baby is called a calf. So this sentence is wrong. False. Hen's baby is called a chick. Yes, hen's baby is called a chick. Yes, we say young one of the hen is chicken. So this sentence is true. Then dog's baby is called a puppy. Yes or no? Yes. What we say young one of the dog is puppy. This sentence is true. Write true here. T for true. And last is goat baby is called a cub. Is it right? No. Goat's baby we say a kid. Okay. The young one of the goat is kid. So this sentence is wrong. False. Okay kids, so say write true or false in your GK notebook. So we have completed chapter number 6, animals and their babies. Okay kids, bye. Okay kids, so we have completed this chapter and learn about the animals and their babies. Do you understand about the animals and their young ones? Okay, as the human beings, same way the human beings take care of their babies and give them food proper time, give them water, give them bath, and how to take care of himself, है ना. So human beings take care of their babies, same way the animals also very much take care of their babies, small babies. Okay, just like examples, lion and lioness. Lion and lioness, they also take care of their baby cub. Okay, so how the cub learn about to prey and take a food and how to fight the other animals. See, so they learn about from their mother and father. Okay, we learn about from mother and father. Same way the kids are in animals, young ones is also learn from their parents, mother and father. Okay, then puppy and dog. So dog teach her babies, young ones, puppy, so how to take a food, how to fight with other dogs, and how to take care from other dogs, and how to get a food from others, right? So mother and father always take care of their babies and always teach them how to take yourself. And then sheep also take care of their babies, and cow gives a give her milk to her babies, है ना. So see, cow also take care of their babies. The young one of the baby is calf. Okay, then chicken also give a food to their babies, and same way the goat kid, they also take care of their babies. So here we learn about the animals and their babies. Babies are very lovable and to have their own young ones. Okay, so this is completed with our chapter. Next chapter is chapter number 7. We learn in our next period. Okay kids, take